Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the alarm volume on your iPhone in just a few simple and easy steps. If your iPhone alarm is too low, too loud, or even muted, don't worry, this method will fix it for you. So let's get started. Open the Clock app and set an alarm. Open the Clock app on your iPhone. Go to the Alarm tab at the bottom. Tap the plus sign to create a new alarm or select an existing one. Set your preferred time for the alarm. Tap Sound to choose a ringtone that suits you. Once selected, tap Back and then hit Save to confirm. Adjust alarm volume in Settings. If your alarm volume isn't loud enough or is too loud, here's how to adjust it. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. Locate the Ringer and Alerts volume slider. Move the slider left for a softer alarm or right for a louder one. To make it even easier, turn on the Change with Buttons option. This lets you adjust the alarm volume using the side buttons. That's it. Your alarm volume is now set perfectly. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.